shoes. Welcome to the apartment, Plano, Texas. October 2019. It's my living room. Got my board collection on the wall, TV, coffee table, extra mattress that I got. Deck, current deck, FA deck, current shoes. This is my shoe collection as of now. Bunch of Nikes, Vans, Adidas. Yep. Closer look. Hey yo. Some extra Supreme decks over here. Dallas deck, old crooked deck, first deck. Some reading material and little trinkets I got on my TV stand. Yep. Old boards, Anti-Hero, Welcome, Supreme Kayak, Melodica, extra grip tapes I got from my homies. Say hello to my roommates, aka my plants. Yep. They keep me company. Yup. Big old plants. Dude. Oh my gosh. There you go. Yep, the plants. Better look. Better light. My little watering roommate. Little elephant. Got from Daiso for $1. Little sad. Got a blooming soon. Look at them, purple. Here's my little lounging couch. Got Bloopy, big old Bloopy. Little Bloopy. And here we go, my deck collection. Been collecting these for, let's say, 3 years now. 2016, 2017, 2018, 2017. Yeah. I was featured in the Wall Street Journal. I had an article on the online website. That was dope. Here's my kitchen over here. This is my work station and my dinner table. Here is another set of my skateboards that I collected. So Supreme, Hockey, FA, Supreme. Yes. Kevin Rodriguez, Kevin Bradley, Jason Dill, Dylan Reeder, Marvin Gaye. Here's some more decks. These two I made custom with my friend Dan from Virginia. Also, this deck is his. Light up. Woo. Guitar. I'm on my deck. Here's the station. Kitchen, you know, the regular stuff. Yep. Got washer, dryer in here, in unit. I gotta pay for that though. More about my living room. Got these Takashi Murakami coasters. Love it. Some Supreme stuff I got on my coffee table for now. Box full of stickers and receipts. Yep, Supreme key. Just got this in big logo beanie. Wrap a lot beanie, which is old. This is old. Everything that's out of this plastic is old. This one's new. Dr. Seuss beanie in yellow. Some embroidered. Prodigy. Not Prodigy. Mercenary tee. Dope. Here we have some extra stuff. Got this pills tray. Got this from Tokyo, Japan, 2017. A little dusty. Cool little tray. Ceramic. Whole bunch of pins and miscellaneous stuff. Posters and whatnot. Mags. Got Thrasher mags. Got this sneeze mag. This thing is sick. Tyson Jones. And Wolves Trebek. Look. Alright, let's go to the bedroom. My favorite piece, I display on my bedroom door. Kids see ghosts sometimes. Kids see ghosts sometimes. Kids see ghosts. Yeah. Here we go. The bedroom. Here we got a bunch of shoes and boxes on the floor, dirty hamper, and mattress over her. Got the Easy Citrons. Clean. Up here, SB. Ooh, dead stock still. Aura Blazers. SB. Super sick on the inside. The lining of these are crazy. Little bam. So over here, I just got my computer desk, which I don't even use. Just holding a bunch of hats, boxes. Here's a stack of clothes I've been collecting. Supreme, no space hoodie or jacket. My mood board. Love it. Some more random various shirts and hoodies. A Supreme hoodie, Supreme tee. Bam. Got my box logos down there. You know, bedroom skate deck for the bedroom. And here we got more Yeezys in this corner. Got the creams right there. More shoe boxes. And here we got a bunch of other Supreme accessories. You can see got the sleeve, flask, toothbrush, skate tool, lock, Zippo, this little coffin keychain thing, I think it's tight. More keychains, freebies, it's like Paratrooper. Got Hot Wheels, got the lighters, nice knife, little light up keychain. Ooh, pretty neat, right? Press it twice. Ooh. It's actually functional. Supreme MTA card for New York, dead ass. Stack of box logos, stickers. Got this like storage box. I love that thing. Got these free bouncy balls. Still bounces. Bunch of t-shirts. Prodigy, Riders, Astros colorway jersey, Akira, this like patch, Thrasher, this Paris looking one, MLK. Don't even know what this one is. But you know the deal. I got a bunch of Supreme shit down here. Got a bag, old school bag, 2017. Hoodies, MLK, Kids See Ghost hoodie, box logo. Oh, here's another box, or another waist bag right here. This one's sick. A bunch of S logo caps here. And here we got a whole bunch of dead stock Supreme shirts. Just whip them out. Throw them out here. Ooh. Just Walking AJ Blige, bottle cap, internal, keyboard, Madonna, Nasa down there, and a whole bunch of Mr. Cream stuff. Water gun, mini water gun. Got this coffee thing. Yep. FA board, not FA board, FA bag from the FA store in Hollywood. My Virginia license plate. Yep. Yep, that's it from my bedroom. Quick look. One more time. Okay. Last part is the bathroom. Not very. No, it's pretty big actually. It's really big. As you can see. There you go. Morning motto: visualize success, perceive, believe, achieve. I give thanks for this perfect day. I do give thanks for this perfect day because I'm moving back to Houston. I love this part. Here we go. We got the mirror, sliding mirror, which doubles up as a closet. Man, pretty big closet too. Look how big it is. Bottom deck, top deck, hanging area over here, more hanging over here. Love it. That's my closet. Thank you for coming on the tour. Hope you like what you saw. Come again soon. That's it. Peace out.